Meaning of inscribe.
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 Inscribe. The verb inscribe means to carve, etch, or write words or symbols onto a surface such as a stone, metal or paper. It involves creating some kind of permanent marking that conveys meaning or information. Inscribing is often used in historical contexts to commemorate significant events or individuals. For example, the names of fallen soldiers may be inscribed on a war memorial, or a dedication may be inscribed on the cornerstone of a building. The act of inscribing can serve as a way to preserve and communicate important messages across time and generations.